For years, scientists have been puzzled by eerie, mysterious sounds emanating from one of the planet's most enigmatic locations, the Mariana Trench. These unearthly sounds, described as otherworldly hums and deep, reverberating echoes, have baffled oceanographers and alien theorists alike. The sounds were so strange that many speculated they could be signals from extraterrestrial life or unknown sea creatures lurking in the abyssal depths. However, after over 10 years of investigation, the mystery of these sounds has finally been solved. In this detailed exploration, we will uncover the truth behind the alien sounds from the deepest ocean trench and explain the fascinating science that has brought clarity to this aquatic enigma. The Mariana Trench, located in the western Pacific Ocean, is the deepest known part of Earth's oceans. It plunges nearly 11,000 meters below sea level, deeper than Mount Everest is tall. This trench, dark and inhospitable, is home to some of the most bizarre and resilient life forms on the planet, creatures that have adapted to the extreme pressure, total darkness, and cold temperatures. But it is not the strange organisms of the trench that have caught global attention over the last decade. It is the inexplicable sounds recorded from its depths. The first of these sounds was picked up by underwater microphones known as hydrophones in the early 2010s. The recordings captured something scientists had never heard before. The noises ranged from low-frequency rumbles to high-pitched wails that seemed to stretch on for minutes. The sounds were repeated in intervals, sometimes weeks apart, and seemed to originate from several kilometers below the surface. These recordings sparked widespread intrigue, and with no immediate explanation, theories began to circulate. Some of the more sensational theories suggested the sounds were being produced by alien crafts or signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. The idea of alien life residing in the depths of the Mariana Trench was not without historical precedent. For decades, UFO enthusiasts have pointed to deep ocean trenches as potential hiding places for underwater alien bases, also known as USOs, unidentified submerged objects. Could these strange sounds be the first auditory evidence of such theories? While thrilling, the more grounded scientific community remained skeptical. Others speculated that the sounds were generated by unknown marine species, possibly gigantic creatures that had yet to be discovered. Given the trench's status as one of the least explored regions on the planet, it was not beyond the realm of possibility that some massive undiscovered species might be responsible for the noises. However, further exploration and analysis revealed no new species that could account for such sounds. As research teams from various countries set up long-term monitoring devices in and around the trench, the sounds continued to occur sporadically. Each time the recordings surfaced, they became more refined, and by 2020, patterns began to emerge. The frequencies, lengths, and intervals of the sounds pointed to something natural rather than extraterrestrial or biological. In 2024, after over a decade of intensive study, a breakthrough occurred. A team of researchers from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, and international partners finally identified the source of the sounds: the shifting of tectonic plates within the Earth's crust, particularly around the Pacific Plate, which the Mariana Trench straddles. The phenomenon, known as seafloor resonance, was found to be the primary culprit. Seafloor resonance occurs when the immense pressures from tectonic movements cause vibrations to echo through the seabed, producing sounds that can be carried for miles underwater. In the case of the Mariana Trench, these vibrations were amplified by the depth and geological structure of the trench, creating the eerie, alien-like tones that had mystified scientists and enthusiasts alike. This natural process is akin to the ringing of a bell after it has been struck, with the vibrations reverberating through the ocean. Interestingly, this discovery aligns with what scientists already know about plate tectonics and underwater volcanic activity. The Pacific Plate, which lies beneath the Mariana Trench, is one of the most active tectonic plates on the planet. It is constantly shifting, pushing against the Philippine Plate, which creates enormous geological stress. When the pressure reaches a critical point, the energy is released in the form of vibrations, which then create the deep, resonant sounds. However, the sounds from the Mariana Trench are not purely tectonic in nature. A second contributing factor researchers found is the unique topography of the trench. The way the trench's walls are shaped creates an acoustic amplifier, which enhances the sounds generated from tectonic activity. This combination of seafloor resonance and the trench's topographical structure explains why the sound seemed so strange and otherworldly compared to typical underwater noises. As for the high-pitched wails that had initially puzzled researchers, these were found to be caused by the movement of massive underwater currents scraping along the trench's jagged edges. These powerful currents, which flow along the ocean floor, generate friction as they pass over sharp rock formations. The friction creates high-frequency vibrations, which are then carried upward through the water column. When these high-pitched tones mix with the low-frequency tectonic rumbles, the result is the full spectrum of strange noises recorded over the last 10 years. The resolution of this mystery has provided valuable insights into the processes occurring in one of Earth's most extreme environments. It has also highlighted the incredible power of sound to travel vast distances through water, revealing secrets of the deep ocean that we might otherwise never have uncovered. While the sounds from the Mariana Trench may no longer be considered alien, they still represent one of nature's most fascinating phenomena. Despite this breakthrough, the Mariana Trench remains one of the least understood regions of our planet. The technological and logistical challenges of studying such a deep and hostile environment mean that there is still much to be discovered. Scientists believe that ongoing research will continue to unveil new aspects of the trench's unique ecosystem and geology, further expanding our understanding of life and natural processes in the deep ocean. In conclusion, while the mystery of the alien-like sounds from the Mariana Trench has been solved, it serves as a reminder of the vast unknowns that still exist in the ocean's depths. As our understanding of the natural world grows, so too does our appreciation for the complex and often awe-inspiring phenomena that shape our planet. Whether it is the roar of tectonic plates, the hum of ocean currents, or the whispers of undiscovered species, the deep ocean remains a frontier of discovery, one that will continue to captivate our imaginations for years to come. If you're intrigued by these dark mysteries, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us create more thrilling and mysterious content.